Alright, so to save time, you can just carefully come and check any of the one you'll be working on here. So to save our time, let me go for this first one. This security TIA security certification kit. But with that still, let me go for this ISC2 CISSP. I think I've been working on a book concerning this one. So the next thing you will do is just to open anyone you want to go for. So I just pray the network will not waste our time tonight. So once you open it, it's still loading actually. So these are the few things you have to consider before you go for any book. The first thing, we're checking the price. You already know the price. And here we'll come and check, it's actually still loading. We'll come and check the paper size. For most of these kind of books, you'll be using 8.5 by 11 as the paper size. We'll be using 8.5 by 11 as paper size. Then on that 8.5 by 11, the font size should be between 11 to 12. The font size should be between 11 to 12. And that is it. Why it is still loaded, it is still loading. So the next thing you want to check now is come to this side here and check for the BSR. So the BSR is 8,576 in books, and you can see that this particular book is actually doing well. And if you carefully work on this kind of book, it is certainly going to do well. It will definitely do well. Right, so after that, the next thing you want to do, I wanted to finish loading so that we also check the price, the amount of money the book is making every month. Right, so we have checked the price, we have checked this one is not even complete. So as you can see, this size, but the best thing our advice is always let your study guide be 8.5 by 11. Right, so after that, before we come to check the positive and negative reviews, let's check how much the book is making every month. So let's check how much the book is making every month before we decide to go for it. Alright, so as you can see, this particular book is only paperback. It's only paperback, and this paperback is making $39,349 every single month. So you can see that this is very good, especially when you learn art for your book, which you definitely do well. Right, so it has 140 reviews. This is the stage rank, and this is the price for that paperback. Right, so the next thing you want to do now is you take your time and check the positive and the negative reviews, and check like 5 to 10 positive reviews and 5 to 10 negative reviews if it is up to. Right, so you can see, just take your time and just take like 5 to save your time. You check like 5 and note everything they talk about the book. If they talk about the things they like about the book, just jot it down so that you make sure your book also have that particular thing. Then you come to the negative. If you just click on it, once you click on it, the negative aspect you open, and you'll be able to read through to know what people complain about. But so what's the negative review, you're going to read through and you see what people complain about, so you'll be able to avoid that particular thing in your home book. But so the next thing you want to do now is, now we are convinced that this book is actually okay, and take notes. You have to take your time to study, to go through. You have to take your time to go through the title and the subtitle, because you don't want to make any mistake and include any word that is going to affect your book or your account. So you can see ISC2 CISSP, Certified Information System Security Professional Official Study Guide, and Practice Test Bundle. CBET's Study Guide. This CBET is actually a, let me say it like a registered publisher. So you have to avoid something like this. Use CBET. Now the next thing you want to do, you are going to be copying your title and subtitle and come to ChatGPT. So we'll still do more videos. I don't think I can finish this in, but the network is very bad. We'll do more videos on how to make the search, but this one actually is the only format I use to write my own study guide. I check for the ones that are already doing well, and I model them. Then this is how I do it. Once you are convinced that you want to work on a book, you copy the title and subtitle and come to ChatGPT. Bam, and that's it. Alright, so once you get here, here's what we do. I want to write a textbook. I want to write a textbook, and in the course of my research, I found a best-selling book, which I will be giving you. I'll be giving you, by which I'll be giving you the title, subtitle, and the description, so that you can have a detailed idea about the book, for you to be able to work on my own book. Just carefully just down these prompts for you to be able to work on my own book. Full stop. Will you understand? Now you send it. So remember we have copied the title and subtitle. Then the first thing you will do, you paste the title and subtitle. Then you will say, this is the title. Now remove this CBEX study guide. Remove this CBEX. But that's the name of a registered publisher. But this is the title, this is the title and subtitle, rather. This is the title and subtitle, I'll provide the description next. I will provide the description next, the send it. Right?